I'm going to replace this contactor. So how do you identify what the terminals are when the capacitor looks like this? We go none other than to the diagram. Here's your outdoor fan motor. Your black, purple, and brown. So you got your black, your purple, and your brown coming from the motor. So the brown and the purple, one's got to be for the fan and one's got to be common, right? Well, how do we know which one's which? There's capacitor. Right there you have two orange, OR, OR on H, C, and F. So you have OR, OR, which is orange, on terminal H, which is hermetic. And then you also have your common, which has the red and purple, and the F for fan, which is your brown from the outdoor fan motor. So now we know that this is for the fan, this is our F, here's our common, and here is our compressor, hermetic. So that's how you figure that out. And if you don't have a wiring diagram, good luck to you. No, I'm kidding. Go to the model number, you look it up online. 9 times out of 10 you'll find it. Thanks for watching.